Hello everybody, welcome back to another review to Show Mirage Track. I hope you had a very good day so far. I am too. In this video, we're going to be tracking the charts with the charts and Blake. I was getting towards mid to late September, guys, and how many storms you can see. I was getting towards the peak of hurricane season, and how many U.S. landfalls you can see this upcoming hurricane season. So, if you like these details, if you like these detailed videos doing my channel, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So, you see, guys, there's not much we watch right now. Besides Hurricane Philan that's out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean that's not threatening nobody but fish. We got next tropical storm that's coming off the coast of Africa. And so it's something we need to watch, guys. And possibly we got along with that, we got a cold front that's coming along the east coast of U.S., guys. So something we need to take into consideration. But this huge cold front that's coming off the southeast U.S. So now let's get right towards tropical storm Philan. So that's the only thing we're watching in the tropics. Here's tropical storm Philan. Winds over to 35 to 45 to 50 mile per hour winds. And look at this, guys. You can see the circulation of it. It's spinning around, guys. It's 45 to 55 mile per hour winds is taking place right now in this circulation, somewhere in the circulation. And the outer bands, guys, is just not like this. This storm does not look compressed like it did in my last video, but still, it still looks compressed, and the wind is a little bit stronger since my last video. So yeah, and here's National Hurricane Center on Philan. You can see its winds, maximum winds, sustained winds, 45 to 50 mile per hour winds, moving east northeast at 55, pressure down to 906 mile bars, and moving east northeast at 15 miles per hour. So yeah, here's a track of it. Expect to remain out in the North Atlantic, guys, before it turns into a subtropical storm early tomorrow morning. Now the particularly amount, guys, what's the rest of tropics can play out getting towards early September, guys. So looking at this, guys, you can see this. By the time we're getting towards August 30th, August 31st, September 1st, guys, you can see this. Not much happening right now until we're getting towards September 6th and September 7th, guys. We got a strong tropical wave that's coming off the coast of Africa that we need to watch. And this is a potential tropical storm right here that we are looking at right here. The potential tropical storm right here, if not a hurricane, coming off the coast of Africa. So usually when these storms develop early, they usually turn out early to sea. So no threat to land with this system, but still something we need to kind of watch. Now, water conditions are going to be unfavorable for a while, but the thing is, wind shear is one thing you cannot have in tropical systems. No matter how strong a hurricane is, wind shear can tear apart a tropical system. So, you see this, guys? There's going to be a lot of wind shear in the environment. By the time you get to September 5th, September 6th, September 7th, September 8th, September 9th, September 10th, September 11th, even September 12th, guys. There's going to be a lot of wind shear. So something we need to kind of watch. So one thing is going to be a lot of dry air in place. A lot of dry air in place is going to be in place, guys. You'll see that a lot of dry air is going to be in place by the time you get to September 7th, September 8th, September 9th, September 10th, and September 11th. Guys, we get a lot of dry air. So that's one thing that's going to stop hurricanes from developing. There's going to be a lot of dry air in place. So as you can see this in the major bird region, September 5th, guys, you see it's a lot of dry air that's going to be in place right now. So that's going to be stunk in a lot of tropical systems. Yeah, it's going to be strong. Yeah, it's going to be strong. Now let's get right towards the model ensembles, guys. How many ensembles are showing a chance of a tropical depression? So now we look at the European ensembles. So European ensembles, guys, are showing that the first wave may not develop. Look at this, guys. We got some ensembles, some European ensembles are showing that the first wave may develop coming up the coast of Africa. We can see we got a couple ensembles around September 5th. You can see this. September 5th, we got a couple ensembles coming off the coast of Africa. September 6th, September 7th, September 8th, September 9th, September 12th. That's September 12th, September 9th, September 10th, guys. You see this? We got a few ensemble models, not one strong one. Brings down to our 967 millibars moving towards the west. So then we gotta watch, guys. We got a strong one right here, and some possibly a strong one right here. So a couple strong ones. This is taking place right. That's taking place. It's not taking place, but will take place pretty soon. And maybe. Now European AI ensembles. The European AI ensembles, guys. A little bit more ballistic, guys. Here's September 5th, guys. You can see it's the first wave right here, like I showed you on the European models. Right here, guys, you can see it. Showing a little bit of summers right here that for developing the first wave. And by the time you get towards number 7, guys, number 8, number 9, number 10, guys, you'll see this, guys. It moves towards the Caribbean, it moves far south. Something you don't want to see, guys. When you see someone moving this far south, that means business. So please watch out for this the first tropical wave that may develop. So look at this, you can see this. This develops. It turns into something. And moves, and possibly it can move this way, it can move this way towards Florida, or it can move towards throughout the Caribbean and get in towards the Gulf. So it's something we need to kind of watch. Now GFS song. GFS model song is not showing too much impressive. Besides that, this is the latest run. Okay, this is the latest run. But so we're going to the last run. So the last run, guys, you'll show this, guys. You can see this. By the time getting towards the turn 10, turn 11, guys, if anything is showing anything coming to close Africa assassins that might form from the Caribbean, it might be developing into something. Now, child storm probabilities. What's the chance of us seeing a child depression on the European ensembles? So the European ensembles, guys, are showing that yeah, the chance of us seeing a child depression is pretty low. Because of to go to Africa. That's not because we don't get into September child. It's because the MGO is not right now for child development, but still it will be soon by the time getting towards mid to late September. Now by the time getting towards September 6th, guys, GFS modeling showing anything south per land. Let's get right towards the models. So yeah, models, guys, are showing that the system may develop. The sun, guys, so looking at European summer models, guys, here's the first wave, and the second wave come behind it, guys. Here's the first wave, guys. The first wave is showing the may develop, guys. Here's the first wave, guys. The first wave, you got some summers going out to sea, being a fifth storm, some getting pretty close to the southeast U.S. So it's something we need to watch. Let's get right into the surface temperature anomalies. Surface temperature anomalies right now is cooler for this section right here because of Hurricane Aaron that cooled the sea surface temperature cool up did a lot above the water. Besides that, anywhere else, the Mandeville region, the Caribbean, and even the Gulf of Mexico, guys, is right about average when it comes to sea surface temperature anomalies. Sea surface temperatures, the Mandeville region is right. It's pretty warm. The Gulf is pretty warm, and so is the Mandeville region. It's not the Mandeville region. The Caribbean is pretty warm. So yeah. Now wind conditions are gonna be favorable enough for wind conditions are gonna be favorable for tropical development. We're looking at a tropical control potential anomaly on the European wrong one. This one, here we go. So looking at potential anomaly, showing this on the European model, guys. By the time you're towards late August, close out August, we're gonna be in that unfavorable environment. We're gonna be in that unfavorable environment. Earth September, we're gonna be in a neutral to a little bit of favorable environment. And we can get then September 7 to September 11, we're gonna be in that unfavorable environment. Looking at the long range, by the time you're getting towards Earth September, we're gonna be in that neutral phase. Look at this, guys. Like I said, mid to late September, guys, you're gonna be in that unfavorable environment. This is the wrong one. Hold on real quick. It's the wrong one. There you go, right one. So here it is. By the time you get to the Earth System, guys, we're gonna be in a little bit of favorable environment. We're gonna be by the time you get long range, guys. We're gonna the long range. By the time you get towards late September, mid to late September, guys, you can see this. We're gonna be in that favorable environment before cooling, before shutting a little bit down for a little bit in part of mid-September. But look at this. By the time you things will keep right back up by the time you get towards early October. So yeah, something we gotta watch. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.